Hello, good morning. Ito po yung tutorial kung paano po natin i-encash ang ating income from this year. So, kung magkano po yung laman ng ating dashboard, click nyo po itong upper right corner. Then, click nyo po itong request. Then, click po natin ang encashment. Okay. Then, click po natin itong request new. Then, ilagay po natin dito yung amount na gusto nyo pong i-encash. Then, lagay nyo po yung inyong password. Lagay nyo po yung inyong option like GCash. Lagay nyo po yung bank name nyo dyan, account number or cellphone number nyo sa GCash. And then, remarks nyo po dyan, please encash my account, my dashboard. Yan, lagay nyo lang po username nyo po. Kunyari, Christine F. Yan, then click nyo po preview. Okay. Then, follow nyo lang po yung procedure on how to encash your income from this year. Thank you!